Yes, everybody. Paul Neeson with the Real Life Health Show. Hello, everybody that's watching. We are doing our afternoon exercise. I'm about to do some yard work, but I can't leave the rope sitting there on the wall collecting dust. So I had to get it out, get the heavy rope out. This is a 1 pound rope. Then I'll do some speed rope, and then I'm going to mow the lawn and plant some trees. Just moving for my food before I go and eat. Got to create the need. Working for my food. Yes. So I don't care who you are, where you are. Jump rope, rebound, swim, any type of exercise you can get it done. All right. So start off just 100 ropes a day. 100 jumps a day is a great way to start. If you can. I'm doing, even if you can start off with 10 a day and work yourself to 100. Whatever it takes to make it happen. All right, y'all? Whatever it takes. And start off with a couple of jumps. Before you know, you'll be doing more. But the whole idea of moving is different than sitting down. Most people come home from work. What's the first thing they do? They run to the... How do I get to comments here? Hold on. Yeah, so most people come home from work. The first thing they do, they sit down on the couch and turn on the TV. I don't even own a TV. As we say, forget about that. All right? Good. Yeah, and if you're going to be walking for exercise, walk. Don't be taking those strolls. Walk. Okay, guys? Walk. Break a sweat. All right. We're going to do 200 more. And, yeah, you could use a regular rope. I got a 1/4 pound speed rope right here. I'll switch that. I'll switch the handles out or not in a moment. And then I'm going to get out there and mow the lawn. And that's exercise too. So... keep it fun. Yes. All right. Keep it fun. You can go anywhere with the rope. And yeah, make it happen. And then in between sets, you can work some stomach. Get a nice stomach workout in there. To me, swimming and jumping rope are the best exercises. And I'm going to have to exclude swimming in most places because you need a pool. And even if you can find a pool, most of it's chlorinated, which is not good to dump yourself in that all the time. So I'm going to vote jumping rope the #1 exercise for me. But for anyone, the best exercise for you is one that you're going to do. And exercise is movement. Not just sitting down and not going for a little stroll. Actually getting up and moving your body. And just wanted to add something special to my mowing the lawn that I'll be doing for the next hour or so. I love my yard work, but it'll make me sweat. But I'm just addicted to jumping rope. So I'm going to do 300 more with this heavy rope. And normally if I wasn't talking to you guys, I might be doing some crunches on the ground between sets. I might even lift some weights between sets. But I just got back from the gym, I took care of that. And I know I'm going to hit the yard and do my cardio, my mowing the lawn. And I might do some speed rope later. Don't want to overdo it. You don't want to do stuff you don't enjoy. Those are 2 ways to burn out. Enjoy what you do and do what you enjoy. And you'll be successful. I see too many people out there eating a healthy diet. And they're just not doing it all. They're not honoring their temple completely by doing the exercise it takes. But we have to exercise as well. We can't just be eating healthy and not exercise, or exercising and not eating healthy. If you want it all, do it all. All right? So I'll say it again. If you want it all, do it all. I have a raw food retreat coming up November 9th, 10th, and 11th. Come on down here to South Florida. Hang out with me for a weekend. Get you motivated, encouraged, and knowledge. Teach you about the food. Motivate you to move. I'm so busy exercising, I don't even have time to shave. How's that one, right? So, all right, I'm going to do another set here. And I haven't eaten anything today at all. I do intermittent fasting. I haven't eaten at all yet. It's 5 o'clock. I'm going to make a green drink right before I mow the lawn, and then come back after that and have a salad or something. Get moving and grooving. Yep. All right. All right. All righty. Figured I'd talk to you while I do this and hopefully encourage you. What's up there, everybody who's joining us now? Just doing some exercise here. Not going to be being lazy and eating. I'm working for my food and I'm eating. And hats off to those of you that have a lawn and you mow it. Don't be hiring no. What's up, Mr. Case? Good to see you. Don't be hiring nobody to do your lawn. Get out there and do that yourself. Don't be sitting watching TV while somebody's mowing your lawn. That's like paying somebody to go to the gym for you. Come on now. Whatever exercise you got to do it. Whether it's lifting garbage cans and throwing them in the back of the truck, or it's jumping rope, or it's riding bicycle with your children. Whatever exercise it takes, right? Right, Mr. Case? Get that workout in, whatever exercise it takes. But don't be sitting home being lazy and then complaining you're getting fat. No, if you do the exercise, you're not going to get fat. Health, one of the greatest signs of health or unhealth is how far your stomach is compared to your chest. If your stomach comes out more than your chest, that's not a good thing. You want your chest to come out more than your stomach. And I see people the opposite wherever I go. That's what you see these days, because people are working out there, stretching their stomach. They should be stretching their body, and that's the big problem today out there. And I'm not just talking about skinny people. I'm talking about, I'll see women out there with a big chest and their gut still sticks out more. Something wrong. I mean, if you're pregnant, that's one thing, but don't just tell me that's your body type. Your body type is sitting in front of the TV, say, get up and jump a rope. And you lose the weight. So whatever it takes to move. Take the steps instead of the escalator. Stay young, stay fit. And remember, enjoy what you do and do what you enjoy. And that's the key. This is not just a rope, folks. This is a heavy rope. This is a 1 pound rope. I have a 2 pound rope. I'll tackle that a day I don't get to the gym. But this is a 1 pound rope. And as I was saying, don't tell me you don't have the energy. You know what I ate today? Nothing. 0. I had a cup of water. And intermittent fasting. You know, and I'll go mow the lawn now for an hour. And then I'll have a salad or something. You don't need a lot of food when you're eating healthy and you're living healthy. Hallelujah. So I'm going to do 2 more sets of this jump rope. You shouldn't even look. I'm all happy and fine you're there watching me, but you shouldn't be watching me now. You should get yourself a jump rope and jump rope. And by the way, Mike Case and anyone else that wants to know, November 9th, 10th, and 11th, I'm having a raw food retreat down here in South Florida. It's a great time to come down. We're going to have amazing speakers, amazing food for 3 days. It's a great vacation, a great everything. Don't wait till this New Year's resolution to start eating healthy and being healthy. Get a head start on everyone. Start now. Come on down and learn how to do it. And yeah, so I'm going to do, I don't even know what I did. I'm going to do 2 more sets here. And then I'm going to go make myself a green juice in my juicer. And then I'm going to mow my lawn. And then I'm going to come in and eat and then get to work. And get to sleep early and get up early. One of the keys to health is getting enough sleep. But I don't mean going to sleep at like 3 in the morning and getting up at 10 in the afternoon, 10 in the morning. The earlier you get up, the better. Yeah. Yes, a raw food retreat in November. Go to healthwatchman.com. Healthwatchman.com, and right in the middle of the page it says raw food retreat. Click on that and check out the 2 videos I just made about that. It's going to be awesome. And it's going to be a great time. My friend Dr. Fred Bishy from New York's coming down. He's 89 years old. Been eating a raw vegan diet for over 60 years. And a couple of other amazing people are going to be presenting in the world. Famous chef Rita Mono's going to be making the food there. I'm telling you folks, I see too many people switching to a better diet, but they're just not hitting the gym or exercising. You know, when your old lifestyle goes out of eating unhealthy food, you got to throw out the TV set. 2 of the worst things people have in the house: a TV and a microwave oven. And what does that equal? The worst thing you can put in your body is a TV, microwave, dinner. And that's what people do on a regular basis, and that's just not good stuff. Yes, 9th, 10th, and 11th. November 9th, 10th, and 11th. And yep. So let me not take too big of a break. Let me hit this 2 more times, and then I'll start doing some exercise. This heavy rope makes it a little bit more difficult. It's nice. I'll do the speed rope soon, and you see that one? Yes. Come jump rope with me. Come on down in November 9th, 10th, and 11th. Jump rope with me on my raw food retreat. Pumping it out. I gotta stop breaking out the 2-pound jump rope. But this is how we do it here at the Raw Life Health Show. All right, Mr. Case, talk to you later. Have a great night, buddy. And it starts getting cold up north in New York in November. Just saying, it's nice down here. Yep. So, wherever you're watching right now, Instagram, Facebook, get real. Less time with your phone on the screen and more time with your feet to the floor. Doing the exercise. Getting your heart beat up, getting your blood pumping and moving. I should be doing crunches on the floor, but I'm cheating. I'm taking a break to talk to you guys, but it's alright. Anyway, I can encourage you guys to just be up and active. More the better. If you had as much reps as you had excuses, maybe you'd be more fit or healthier. And we're all kings of excuses, but we need to be kings of doing something and moving and grooving. So I'm going to do 1 more set here. Then I'm going to mow this lawn. And thank you guys for checking me out tonight. I'm actually going to put in a tree. I'm going to put in my main tree. I'm going to get in the ground. It's time. Yes. Yes, folks. Alrighty, 1 more set and then I'm going to let you guys go. But share this with others and let them know November 9th, 10th, and 11th I'm doing my raw food retreat here in South Florida. The hills in Georgia. Nice. I'll actually be in Georgia in September. I'll be in North Georgia hanging out there for a week. So that's going to be a good time. And I'll be taking my ropes with me. My ropes. Quick ropes, jump rope. And these are called cross ropes. Check out cross rope. Alright. So now I've done 400. I'm going to do 100 more. And like I said, normally I might do some crunches in between or something on the mat on the floor. Or lift some weights. I'm going to pound this last one out. And then keep doing it. Keep rocking. We'll keep rocking. Alrighty. Got it done. Alright, guys. Do it. Just jump rope. Go for a walk up a hill. If you're not sweating, it doesn't count. So, make it work. Pump that heart. All right, everybody? November 9th, 10th, 11th at Rawfood Retreat. Have a blessed night, everybody. Thank you.